Okay, here's the Mad Catz controller. It's on, but R2 is off, and the board is sort of pulled out a little bit. And you can see there's no motor terminals, but I just bridged the two wires with the 1 microfarad capacitor, I guess it is. And we're going to turn them on over here. Red power is on, dome switch is already on, but it won't move yet. Right now it's doing the startup. And then now blinky blinky. There's the board. Okay, now if you notice, PS2, the resender, transmitter is steady, but we're not in analog mode, so we have to go to analog mode. Now we can control R2, but nothing will happen because I've got them locked, so we have to try to unlock. It takes a few, there he goes. Once he makes that nya sound, now he can move. And you can see that I can go, and the wheel slips a little, but I'm going like crazy now with the stick, and the lights are staying on, so that problem seems to be fixed. But what used to happen is if I were to press this analog button, see, now he's off, he would just start going like mental. Now I can toggle that on and off, and R2 stays still. So, progress.